So the customer has the perfect spot to place their washing machine, but there's nowhere to plug it in. They don't want to use this raised socket on the wall, that's if the plug will even stretch, and taking a look in the cupboard, there's no sockets in there either. So I'm going to fix that. First I'm going to have to find where I'm going to get my power. There's a live earth and neutral here. That'll do. A little visual check tells me that it's not already used as a spur, so we should be good to go. I spoke to the customer and they're fine with a little surface mounted trunking, so that's what we're going to do. I chiseled the wall to make a little hole under the back box and I knock out the knockout. Now that's gone, make a little more room to fit my grommet, and there's the access for my cable. The next little hole I need to make is to punch through this wall. Taking into account the thickness of the exterior wall, I need to pull back a bit and hope I hit the sweet spot. I'll bring you round to the other side and boom, that's perfect. Can you see my rod? Now we're clearly through, I can start feeding my cable. Use my needle nose pliers to encourage it to come through and use my good arm to give it a little tug. I cut a slot in the back of the kitchen cabinet and slide a pattress in there. Not gonna lie though, it fell right through because the gap was too big. So the same slot that I cut out of the kitchen cupboard, I mount that to the back of the pattress so I can fix them both to the wall and bring it out a bit. Now that's in place, I can bring the cable through and start to strip it. Wire up the socket, turn the circuit back on and give it a little test. Now that's perfect. I can nick myself a ZS and go sort out the paperwork.